Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my videos regularly and showering so much of love on my channel. In today's video, I have got some interesting DIY. In this DIY, we are going to upcycle our existing jewelry without buying anything, and that too with homemade clay. The homemade clay video link is given in the description box. You can also click on the I button which is there on the rightmost top corner of your screen. There's also a giveaway planned in this video, so keep watching the video till the end. And now let's start our video. Firstly, I have gathered a few danglers, a few studs and a set which I'm going to reuse in my video. We are not going to break the existing jewelry but use them as is in our new upcycled jewelry. This is my homemade clay which I have made almost 6 days ago and have just kept it in an airtight bag. I have not refrigerated it but kept it outside only in the airtight bag. You can see it has become a little crumblier, so we'll add Fevicol or white glue to it and knead it again to make it smooth. I have given the video link in the description box so that you can check and make the homemade clay on your own. While kneading this clay again with glue, it would be very sticky while kneading it. But don't worry, keep kneading till the clay becomes smooth and then you can wash your hands. After washing your hands, you can start working with the clay. Here our clay is ready to use. First we will reuse or upcycle our studs. For that I have taken small amount of clay and divided into 2 equal parts for the 2 studs. Then we would roll it into a ball and flatten it. Use some talcum powder or baby powder on the base so that the clay does not stick to the base, and then we would just press the stud onto the clay and it gets fixed into the flattened ball. Before pressing, you can also apply a little glue on the center of the flattened ball so that the stud fixes properly. I have not used glue, but you can do that. I have added a little glue after I have pressed the stud on the clay. Then we will leave it to dry. Here our first earring pair is ready, and now we are going to start the second one. For the second one also we are using clay and then dividing it into 2 parts and then making a shape of a drop and then insert the existing earring onto the clay the same way we did in the first earring. Here also you can apply glue before you are inserting the existing earring. With the help of any tool like any pen or any pen refill, we will make such marks on the earring. So this becomes a very nice designed pattern for the earrings. Now I am adding glue to just fix the earrings properly. Let's start the third earring. This is the secret ingredient that we are going to use. Yes, these are the paper clips or paper pins that we use. These come in colors or they come in steel finish. You can use whichever you have in your house. From this single clip, we will cut and make 3 U shapes. Please watch the video carefully and see how I am cutting them to make 3 U shapes. For your reference, I am showing it again how I am converting one single clip into 3 U shapes. So like this, cut some shapes and keep them ready. Now take some clay and we will make a square or rectangular shaped pendant out of this clay. Apply a little powder on the base so that the clay does not stick. With the help of a ruler, we will just adjust the edges of the rectangle and make a proper rectangular shape or a square shape. Then what we are going to do is insert the U's that we made from the pin into the edges of the clay like I am doing in the video. Please watch it carefully. Here also first you can dip the U pins in the glue and then insert it into the clay so that it fixes properly. I am inserting the U shapes on 3 sides, and on the 4th side I will add 2 pins for the chain or any thread to be tied. So here our pendant is ready. Now if you want, you can make some design or pattern with the help of any household supplies, like I am using a ruler here. You can also smoothen the surface by applying powder, or if you think it has become a little crumblier, you can also just dip your finger in water and then rub the clay with it. So here the pendant is ready, and similarly now we have made the earrings also. Here I have added 2 U pins. On this you can add the existing earrings later. For that I have provided a small hole on the top of the earrings. All the clay work is done now. You have to let it dry for minimum 24 hours, depending also on the weather. If it is a rainy weather, maybe you need to dry it for more time. On the earrings now you can draw any pattern that you want to paint. Here I am painting 4 lotus flowers and then we'll paint it. I am using Fevicryl acrylic colors and 000 brush. Now you can enjoy the painting on the earrings that I am doing. And if you have any doubts, please do write in the comment section so that I get to know if you are not able to understand anything and I can get back to you on that. Do watch my other videos too. I have shown some interesting DIYs, and that too with best out of waste at home. And if you like them, do subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends and family. While using more than one color, make sure that the first color has dried and then use the second color. So let us keep the first earring and then start painting the second earring. Here I am giving a base color of green. This goes well with orange color, so I am painting the base as green color. We let this dry too and then start on the other earring. For the third set I am using sap green color because the chain I am going to use is of this color, so I am going to use sap green color to match with it. So the base color here is ready. By this time this lotus earring has dried and we can paint the second color. Here I am using a black color for outlining the lotus and the other designs. All these are zero budget and homemade jewelries, so do give it a try. You will definitely love it. On the third set, I have painted a half face with black color, and now I'll make flowers with white color. And then I'll paint the remaining pendant and earrings too. Enjoy this painting, and also do let me know in the comment section which of these jewelries did you like. The festival of Navratri is round the corner, so let's start the preparations. and we can make this jewelry items at home and then wear them during the Navratri to welcome Goddess Durga. I plan to make some more videos on this theme of Navratri, few arts and crafts, maybe some DIYs or paintings. Do watch them too. I know you all are waiting for the surprise giveaway that I have planned in this video. The viewers who are going to comment in the comment section, I would pick one winner out of them randomly. Watch this video till the end, and out of all the jewelries that I have shown in the end of the video, I would be giving away one set and one pair of earrings to the winner. The set would include only pendant and earrings. There would be no chain or string attached to it. However, since I have given provisions, you can easily attach your existing threads or existing chains to the pendants. So all the best to all my viewers, and may the lucky one win. Coming back to painting, here I have used the liquid embroidery cone. For this earring, I have taken a little bit of golden color in my fingertips and then applying with fingertips on the earring. This green and orange color with a golden shade is a perfect combination of the border saris that we have, which we wear during the festivities, and I love this combination too. Now we will do the final touch-ups to the earring. We'll just put some dots with the help of the brush, also making some lines in the lotus. So here the painting is done for these studs. For the second earring final touch-up, just going to add a green stone in the center of the orange earring. And then with the help of the liquid cone, putting some borders and a few designs on the earring. For this pendant, I have added pearls, but you can also make silk thread or cotton cloth tassels and add in the U-shape hoops that we have added. Now giving the final touches to this pendant and earring set also. Now let's take a look at the final reveal of all the handmade jewelry. Enjoy and keep guessing which one the winner is going to get in my giveaway. If you have liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and also share it with your friends and family, and also comment in the comment section for the giveaway. All the best! Let me know in the comment section which of the jewelry did you like. Do pour in the comments so that I can find out a winner and declare the winner on my Facebook page and Instagram account after a week. So keep in touch on my Instagram account and Facebook page. Maybe you are the winner of the giveaway. All the best guys, and thanks for watching the video till the end. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in my next video. Bye.